Word problems can be tricky to solve. Remember that math is a language. Like any other language, math doesn't translate directly from English. You may understand the French sentence, C'est une porte verte. If you were to translate this word for word, c'est means it's, une means a, porte means door, and verte means green. It's a door green. That doesn't really make sense in English. We need to change it around to it's a green door. When you are translating a word problem into math language, you will also have to do some changing around. Let's look at this word problem as an example. Leanne and Daksha are raising money for a school field trip. Leanne collected $16 less than Daksha. If Daksha collected $45.50, how much money did Leanne collect? This part is really just to give us an idea of what's going on. It does not need to be translated. Remember, you need to look for clue words. Words like more than, less than, double, and half all have a meaning in math language. Think of the clue words as words that need to be translated. Here, we know that less than means subtraction. Leanne collected $16 less than Daksha translates to Daksha's money minus $16. Notice we had to switch them. Here we're told that Daksha collected $45.50. That goes here. We need to find out how much Leanne collected. That is our unknown. Therefore, in math language, this problem translates to $45.50 minus $16 equals something. Subtracting these numbers, we need to line up our decimals. We get 50 cents. Here we need to regroup. So 15 minus 6 equals 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer to our equation is $29.50. Now we need to translate this back into English in order to answer our question. I always like to look at the question again. How much money did Leanne collect? Leanne collected $29.50. Let's try another problem. Cameron and Zach were playing a game of basketball. Zach scored half as many points as Cameron. Cameron scored 36 points. How many points did Zach score? The first sentence just tells us what's going on. Here, the words half as many translate to divide by 2. But what do we divide by 2? Cameron's points. We know that Cameron scored 36 points. By switching things around into math language, we get the equation 36 divided by 2 equals something. Solving for this equation, 2 goes into 3 one time. 2 goes into 16 8 times. Therefore, the answer to our equation is 18. Translating this back into English, we're looking for how many points Zach scored. So, Zach scored 18 points. If you use the clue words as a sort of dictionary for math language, problem solving becomes easier. You just have to translate the word problem into math.